What's up, guys? And I just want to give you one more quick update on this major winter storm that is going to go into a full force tonight and tomorrow, and what we could see after that. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, and if you like the weather, please subscribe. Other than that, let's get into it. So first, this is the current radar right now. The storm is really starting to get amped up in the Midwest, and it will continue to get amped up until about midday tomorrow, which is when it'll be producing its heaviest snow. This is around 9 a.m. or 12 p.m. tomorrow, and you can see it's a 980 millibar pressure system, bringing most likely blizzard conditions into Minnesota and the other parts of the Midwest and to the Great Lakes region. So, if you guys take a look at this severe weather down here, well, first we'll take a look at the total snowfall forecast, and you can see that this is pretty much accurate by now. We're going to get this good swath of 6 to 10 inches, locally areas of a foot, which I did say about 4 days ago. Maybe up here in these northern regions, up to 2 feet possible. But the main concern, honestly, for the storm is going to be this severe weather. And you can see this on the NAM model really well. That line of storm moving eastward, and then it continues to move. And then finally, it gets to the east coast and brings severe storms to the northeast as well. And then you get another storm developing after that. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, I want to take a look at the SPS lookouts for tomorrow and the day after that. So tomorrow, this is a tornado outlook. And you can see down in Louisiana and in the deep south, you have a 10% chance for tornadoes, which is not too high, but it's decently high, which I think we're going to get some tornadoes out of this, personally. I do think we're going to get some hail, but I think that's going to be in more of the Mid-Atlantic, and you can see it highlights that area up there, and also highlights an area for tornadoes for tomorrow as well. So the severe weather aspect of this is definitely going to be just as huge as the snow aspect of this, and if you live in any areas of the eastern U.S., northern U.S., southeast, this storm is going to affect you, and you need to stay weather-aware tomorrow. And keeps out for watches in mornings because there could be pop-up severe thunderstorms bringing hail, possibly even tornadoes. But what is the long-range setting? This is the 18Z GFS, and you can see it jumped on board with the Euro, not really bringing a storm to the northeast, but it does bring a little storm to the Rockies and into Kansas. And then it kind of just moves on out. Another storm tries to develop in the deep south, brings some snow to Texas. And then it kind of just becomes some rainstorms in the deep south. Then we get this big warm-up across the whole U.S. And then after this is La La Land. But it looks like we get another deep air trough and maybe another storm to develop. So look for a warm-up after the storm. And then look for maybe a little bit more of an active pattern setting up. But we'll continue to have updates